So today we are going to have discussion on how to insert elements in Venn diagram. So while inserting the Venn diagram, first of all, you have to start from this region. Because now we are talking about two sets. So here, the region denotes A intersection B. So this is the region from where we start. So it denotes A intersection B. And then we go to next region, and that's it. And it denotes N not A. Or we can say N only A also. So here, in order to insert in this region, we have to subtract the value of intersection from the value of NA. Because here, the whole circle is denoted by A, and from here, the intersection part has been cut out. So the remaining portion is N not A. And lastly, we are moving on the next section, that's N not V. So here, the whole circle denotes NB, and from the whole circle, the intersection part is cut out. So the remaining portion is N not B. And lastly, we move on this section, and this section is N A union B complement. So you can see it here, so 1 A intersection B, 2 N not A, 3 N not B, and lastly 4 N A union B complement. Now let's have discussion on the what are the things that are asked in the question. So here, suppose we are talking about light, and here, suppose the question is asked for light both, then we will be writing the value A. This is A intersection B. So for the answer to light both, we write A. And if we are asked to find who like A only, then the answer is B. If we are asked to find who like B only, then we go for C. The next one, if we are asked to like exactly one or only one, then we add the value B and C. If we add these two values, then we get only one, that is N not A plus N not B. Now, we like A or B or both, or we can, or it can be like at least one. So for this, we will be adding three values: B, that's N not A, and A, that's A in B, and then lastly C, which is N not B. And in short, it can be told as N A union B also. The both means same. The next one is like at most one. So it's maximum of one. So here B exactly one, C also exactly one, and D none. So B plus C plus D makes at most one. And lastly, we don't like any odd statement. So that's value D. So now let's move on the problem on based on three sets. So regarding three set, we start from this region. So this is the region from where we start to insert the element. And this region is A intersection B intersection C. So this one. And then we move to the next region, this one. That is N not A intersection B. So this is the region. So the whole region is A intersection B. And from A intersection B, if we take out A intersection B intersection C, then we get N not A intersection B. So now the next reason is you are not A intersection C, you also the whole region. So this is the region for A intersection C. From here we have taken out A intersection B intersection C. So the remaining one is you are not A intersection C. So the next one, that is you are not B intersection C. So that's another region. You are not E. So from whole, the whole region is DNA. So from whole region DNA, we have to subtract this value, and this value, and then the remaining value is N not A. Now that's N not B. So this one is N not C. And lastly, so this region is N A union B union C complement. So you can see it here. We start from here. That's 1 A intersection B intersection C, and then 2 you are not A intersection B, and then 3 you are not A intersection C, and then 4 you are not B intersection C, and then 5 you are not A, and then 6 and not B, 7 and not C, and lastly 8 N A union B union C complement. So here let's move on another section. So suppose we are asked to find who like all three. So if we are asked to find who like all three, then we go for A, the value A, that is the value for who like all three. Now the next one is who like A and B only, and that's B. Who like A and C only, that's C. Who like B and C only, and that's D. Suppose we are asked to find who like exactly 2. So here B plus C plus D. These three values, the sum of these three values B, C and D. This is the answer for who like exactly 2. Now suppose we are asked to find who like at least 2. Then we will be adding B, C, D and A. So these four values, the sum of these four values gives the answer for who like at least 2. Now who like at most 2 means maximum of 2. So here B, C, D, E, F, G and then H. So if we add these 7 values, then we get the answer for who like at most 2. Suppose we are asked to find who like A only, and that's E. Who like B only, that's F. Who like C only, that's G. So who like exactly 1. So for that, we'll add in E, F and G. The sum of E, F and G gives the answer for who like exactly 1. Now, who like at least 1. So for this, we'll be adding E, F, G, C, B, D, and A. So these are the 7 values. If we add them, then we get the answer for who like at least 1. And lastly, who like at most 1. So for at most 1, the maximum of 1, so E, F, G, and here none of that is yes. So if we add these 4 values, then we get the answer for who like at most 1. So this is much for today about set. Thank you everybody.